What's up, Rips and Braps? 2008 CBR 1000. A fork seal job here. Got it all done. Got it all together. Just got to fill it with fluid. Got the old seals out. Really the toughest part that I've run into so far, I just want to share. 8mm Allen wrench goes in here. You got to tighten it down 25 foot-pounds. There's some slop in there. I found a bushing that actually fits, you know, snugly in there, just like that. Remove these bolts so it fits. And here's the schematic breakdown of the forks. You can see right here the bolt that I'm trying to tighten, 25 foot-pounds. Fork seal driver kit, about $65, all different sizes, 43mm, that's what I had used. Very cool, very sweet kit. If you don't have one, get one. It'll pay for itself right away. But back to this, want to tighten this down 25 foot-pounds. I have just your standard torque wrench ratchet, just like this, you know, set at 25 foot-pounds. And I couldn't really figure out a good way to get this to connect so I could tighten it, but actually what I did was cut the socket. This is a 7/8 socket. I cut the socket so this would slip over just like that. And now when you go to tighten it down, you want to make sure the ratchet's going to line straight with the Allen wrench as much as possible, so your torque reading is going to be as accurate as possible. But then you just hold that side down with your hand and use your other one and torque it down. And yeah, it worked great. I did them both. Super happy with it. Just another cool tool anybody can make on their own. Just simple angle grinder. So very cool, very fun. Just another good time in the garage. Thank you.